This is first Huawei of this type to implement a waterproofing for zero gap, and it is also the first flip foldable in the world with 4 cameras on its cover. The Huawei Pocket 2 bag design looks cute, similar to Pocket S. It has a clamshell folding design that is supported by a horizontal hinge. The bag retains the dual circular module for the rear cameras and the round cover display. For durability, the brand is fusing a new hinge built with the aeroscape grade rocker steel material and a second-gen cooling glass technology. The device measures just 7.25 mm and weighs around 200 grams. The display is a tail 6.94-inch foldable LTPO OLED panel that offers 2690x1136 resolution. 2200 nits of peak brightness, 420 ppi pixel density, 1 to 120 Hz variable refresh rate, 1440 PWM dimming, 300 touch stippling rate, and 21.9 aspect ratio. The back has 1.15-inch OLED screen that has 296 pixel density and 360x360 resolution and 1260 as a refresh rate. So its specs are punch with Huawei own Kirin 9000S chip, a proving 7nm powerhouse phone in the company's current gen flagship phone. The phone comes with Harmony OS 4 out of the box, and the UI makes customization of the cover screen a lot easier. It could be a clock or mood wallpaper, a GIF with the cute animated pet, or even an avatar. The possibilities are practical endless. Of course, it is also used for notification and second screen for taking selfies with the main camera. And since the phone is being launched in China first, the display can visualize a QR code for smart payments. This phone supports two-way satellite messaging through Beidou, the Chinese satellite navigation system. So he comes with 4520 mAh battery, which is bigger than any previous flip foldable in the company. On top of that, there is also 14-watt wireless charging for the first time, with the fast charging rated at 66 watt and a 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging. A small phone heats up quickly at these rates, so Huawei is using a VC conventionally placed on the top half. There are also multiple battery layers to improve the terminal conductivity. The enhancing durability, the Pocket 2 boasts iPX8 water and dust resistance for the worry-free use in various environments. The Pocket 2 have a 5 sensor. The main camera features 50 megapixel super sensing with f1.6 aperture and OIS. The second is 12 megapixel ultra wide unit for capturing expansive landscape, and 8 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom for telephoto shoots, and a unique 2 megapixel hyperspectral sensor for enhanced color accuracy and light information. On the main display, a 10.7 megapixel ultra wide camera is available for high quality selfies and video calls. The Pocket 2 comes in 4 colors: titanium grey, Rococo white, purple and black. The art variant is called Dream Blue and costs 10,999 yuan.